The 3D AI industry is moving in a really interesting direction with the recently launched Tripo 3.0 Ultra and its new multi-view support. And the interesting part is its naming. AI-powered 3D modeling tool. It's not just generating models from images. Tripo lets you control every step of your workflow, effectively building a full AI-assisted 3D pipeline. This level of integration is something I haven't seen in many tools before. But for now, let's see what Tripo 3.0 Ultra and the new features can do. The first major upgrade in Tripo 3.0 is Ultra Mode, which delivers the most detailed geometry I've worked with so far. You can choose Standard Mode for fast results or Ultra Mode for high-fidelity outputs that can reach up to 2 million polygons. Even with that density, the surfaces stay clean and detailed, which is rare in AI-generated meshes. This level of quality really makes a difference if you are working on projects that require close-up shots or precise details. After generating a high-poly model in Ultra Mode, you can either manually retopologize it or use Tripo's AI-powered retopology, which saves huge amount of time, especially when you are preparing assets for animation or game development. Single image to multi-view feature. You start by uploading a single reference image. Tripo automatically generates a complete set of multi-views, and if one angle doesn't look accurate, you can just simply replace that specific view individually. From there, you can generate the final 3D model using the multi-view set. This approach gives far better geometry accuracy compared to using a single image alone, because the model is reconstructed from several coherent viewpoints. It's extremely useful for objects where the back or hidden sides aren't visible, because Tripo fills in those missing areas intelligently. This multi-view capability really expands the possibilities, especially for product visualization or working with limited resource materials. The toolkit also supports multiple image generation models like Nano Banana, Flux, and GPT-4o, which helps a lot in concepting, Sketch to 3D, and Clay Preview workflows. This integration means you can experiment with different AI engines all within the same environment, speeding up the creative process. Experiment 1. For the first experiment, I'm going to draw a sketch and use Tripo's Sketch to 3D tool. After uploading my sketch, we can choose one of the powerful AI models like Nano Banana, Flux, or GPT. I'll first convert it and then generate a full 3D models from that clay render. The resulting geometry is detailed, and the model is ready for further optimization and texturing. Next, I wanted to see how Tripo stacks up against other 3D AI models. For this comparison, I used high detail models because they reveal differences in topology, sharpness, and small features much better than smooth objects. Across all tests, Tripo's Ultra Mode consistently delivered detailed meshes. Especially it delivered sharper edges, which is what I needed. Even with more complex shapes, Tripo generated fewer gaps and artifacts, meaning the model requires much less post-processing. This makes Tripo a better option if your pipeline demands high-quality models with minimal cleanup. Advanced features. Tripo also includes retopology, segmentation, and auto-reading, making it a complete AI-assisted 3D workflow. You can export directly to Blender, Maya, or Unity and use Flux plus GPT-4o tools for Sketch to 3D concepting and T-pose generation. These features make it easy to integrate AI-generated content straight into your existing project or pipeline. After these experiments, it's clear that Tripo 3.0 Ultra is setting a new standard for 3D AI industry with its workflow and AI-assisted 3D modeling pipeline. You can try Tripo 3.0 Ultra yourself using the links in the description or pinned comment. The invite code gives new users 500 extra credits on top of the free 300. The discount code gives 60% off the first month of the Pro plan. Tag your results with hashtag TripoAI and show what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.